I have a simple solution when this occurs. First thing I want to do is we need to unplug the garage door opener. This red cord is connected to the carriage disconnect. And on this model, when you pull away from the door, it disconnects the carriage lock from the inner slide. Then it allows you to open your door up manually like we talked about. Now that the power is on and your carriage is in the manual mode or unlock position, we want to put it in the lock position. To do this, on this model, you pull toward the door. When you hear the click, then you raise your door, make it snap into the inner slide, and when you hit the remote, you'll notice that now it is connected and is working.